Hey, good morning, guys. Hey, it's Chris here at the Jack Homestead, down into the garage shop area. Now I want to look at maybe making a vacuum filter for my maple syrup. I've seen some online. I want to check it out. I want to see if I can get her done, and stick around. We'll get her done. So, you get the necessary stuff around. To make my vacuum pump. So my plan is to try and get, there we go. All right, so I got these pails from my local bakery down in town, and my plan is to build a vacuum pump like this. This will be where I pour in the sap. Yeah, oh, I'm sorry, I got to apologize for the noise in the background there. That's my torpedo heater. It's a little chilly down here in the garage. It's supposed to be in the 40s today, so. But anyway, back to the build. So I'm going to put my syrup in here, do a vacuum connection here to pull the sap through the filter it back into this bucket. And what's cool about it is I'm hoping that this lid has a rubber seal on it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a rubber seal all the way around. So if I push this all the way down on, that should seal that up and give me a good seal, at least on that part of it. But now I got to figure out what I want to use for the vacuum part of it. I can't put it there. I can put it down here. That's what I'll have to do, is put it down here. Okay, guys, sorry about that. We had a little interruption. Our ducks, we have a pond out here. Our ducks swim in that pond, and this is Jack come running in saying something's got the ducks, and it was a muskrat grabbing the ducks by the feet, pulling them under, so I had to run out there. But he ran up top. There's a pond up above ours. He ran up there. I seen him. I didn't have my shotgun with me, but that stuff we won't show on YouTube because they kind of frown on that. But anyway, so I decided to change plans on this pump thing. So what I decided to do was to use this, and then I could put my hose on. So here we go.
Got bags and we just go, go, go. He said, let's go catch a flight. We bout to stay up all night. Red eye goodbye, hold my hand tight. He take me straight to the sky. Baby, take me out to Tokyo. Let me catch a flight to San Diego, Paris, Madrid, or Tobago. Anywhere you wanna be, where we gonna go? Take me on a ride, tell my girls bye bye. Just touch down, show me around, then kiss me goodnight.
Take control, who gonna take control? Take control, who gonna take control? Take control, who gonna take control? Who gonna take control? Take control, who gonna take control? Who gonna take control?
Now I gotta drill the holes in here so that I can draw the sap down. Not quite. My original thought was to use some type of screening with wide holes on here, put it on here, secure it, and then do it that way. But I believe that's galvanized, so I can't do that. So I'm going to drill holes in here.
Dime qué se siente saber que me tienes. Me tienes donde quieres. No me dejes caer. Dime que me quieres. Yo me voy a creer.
That should be enough. There's that seal I was telling you guys about. So this is what it's going to look like. Of course, I got to clean that out. The only thing is I may have to. Let me think. I may have to duct tape this or put a piece of 1-inch black pipe on here, plastic pipe, and then put the black hose over that. I have to take a piece of black hose up top to see. Let me get this mess picked up. Like I said before, when I started maple syrup, it was funny. It was in 2019. I had broken my ankle, well, had a small fracture where I ended up having surgery. I had to have a plate put in with 7 screws. My wife says it looks like a hinge on a door. But anyway, so I was watching YouTube, and my grandparents, my dad used to do syrup, and I watched online how to do syrup. And I started out, like I said, with the 2 pans with an open fire with cinder blocks. And I think I did 35 gallons, and it took me probably 15, 16, 17 hours or something like that. And I only got, I think, a pint and a half out of that, which is all right. I mean, it's not, it was cool. And then I kept looking more. I seen a barrel stove. I bought 2 of the hotel pans, made my barrel stove. Used it one time. I only used one side of it. And then I stepped it up to, what was it, a 2 by, I had a 2x4 pan that I bought from a guy. And I ended up putting two barrels together and making that. And that thing was heavy. I mean, really heavy. So 2 years later, my wife bought me a flat pan, stainless steel, with a warmer box. And I went from there. I just kept adding on stuff, adding more taps. One time I was doing 52 taps, or 52 buckets. But oh my God, that was a lot of work. That was a lot of work for one person. So I cut it back the next year down to, I think, 24 or 26 taps. And that's about where I wanted to be. So that's where I'm at today. I think I got 24 taps. That includes 1 5/16 tubing, and I got 2, 4, 6 taps on 6 drop lines on that, running into a 33 gallon barrel. Yeah, and like I said, that I really like the tubing because I think I'm going to do more of the tubing next year and run it down, like, because then there's a side hill over here where I got the tubing. If I could do that whole side hill, collect sap that way, and not have to collect buckets, it makes it so much easier. All I have to do is pull sap out of the barrels and bring it up to the sap house or the sugar shack and process it. So, all right, guys, listen, this is for now, that's what we're going to do.